welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Happiness, and you're welcome back to this amazing family. Everything that revolves around money and how you can earn one online. I'm gonna be telling you how I'm able to fend for myself as a teenager. How I'm able not to even call my parents, oh mommy, daddy, send me money, I need money for school, I need money for this. Like, I don't do that. I am independent. I make money on my own. I am going to show you the way. I am going to tell you how I do it. This video is going to be of help to you. You're going to learn a lot of things. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Do not skip any part of this video, because skipping it is like losing something. You're losing money as you're skipping my video. So yeah, in case you're new to this channel, do us a favor by subscribing. Subscribe. Join the Happy Explorers family. Guys, before I start this video, I would like to say a very big sorry to you guys. I know I haven't been active. I know I haven't been uploading video like the way I'm supposed to be. I'm the person that is always like, oh, you have to be consistent, you have to be this, and guess what? I'm not even as consistent as I need to be. I'm not even as active as I need to be. I've been uploading videos lately at least once in a month. I haven't been uploading the way I'm meant to upload videos, but guess what, guys, I'm back. If you saw my latest community post, I said you guys should recommend videos for me to work on, videos that I should make. So yeah, a lot of you dropped some comments and you requested for some videos, and I'm going to be working on that because I am fully back on YouTube. Yes, why have I not been uploading on YouTube? That's because I've been in school and I have a lot of school work to handle, and it's not always easy to handle schoolwork and YouTube. That's why I haven't been consistent. I'm sure you already know what this video is going to be about. I'm sure by the title you already know what we are going to be talking about. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I make money online as a teenager, like more than 5 ways on how I make passive income. Like, guys, most of my course-mates are at home now because our school told us to go home because of the spread of COVID-19. So we are all at home now. So it's either you think of how to make money online or you end up reading. Let me tell you, everything is not about books. So you have to strategize. You have to think of ways to make money online. And if you are not thinking of ways to make money, you have to think of things to learn. You have to acquire tech skills or any other skills that comes to your mind. Any skills that you want to acquire, you have to do other things, not just sitting at home and reading, doing online class, because life is not all about reading. So yeah, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I make money online as a teenager, not just online, no, how I earn my money. Like, guys, let me just get started into this video. So yeah, I have actually written some points down. So if you see me looking down, just know I'm looking down to see what I wrote down in my jotter. So yeah. So the first way on how I make money online is YouTube. You all know that my YouTube channel is monetized and I make money from my YouTube channel. You all know that my YouTube channel is monetized. So I make money on my YouTube channel using Google AdSense. So this is how it works. Once a YouTube channel gets to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, the next thing you have to do is to monetize your channel. It depends on the person, actually. If you want to monetize your channel, you monetize the channel. Then YouTube will place ads on your channel. Those ads that you see before you watch my video, I don't know if you have seen it or you will soon see an ad. So those things that you see on my videos before you actually see the video you clicked on is called an ad. YouTube has placed ads on the video through Google AdSense. So Google pays YouTubers. Google AdSense pays YouTubers. So advertisers pay YouTube to place ads on our videos because we are monetized. As they are watching that video, I am earning a particular percentage. So guys, please do not skip any of my videos. I actually started this channel for fun. I didn't even intend to earn money that fast because my channel is literally just one year and I'm already earning money. Guys, I'm going to be paid on the 21st of this month. I was paid last month and I'm still going to be paid again this month. So if you haven't seen my video on how much I earned on YouTube last month, I will link the card up above. So click on it to take you back to that video so you get to know how much I earn on YouTube. So that video is going to give you an idea of how YouTube monetization works and how much I earn as a YouTuber, guys. You know, the best part of it is that you're not stressing yourself. You're just in front of the camera, just like I am now, recording video, and you are earning money. Like, guys, I don't know if you're feeling the vibe. You're just in front of a camera, you're talking. You can just start up your channel. If you're a teenager out there and you're looking for ways on how to make money online, no, literally everyone is at home now. So why don't you start up a YouTube channel? You can just start up a channel, work on your subscribers or watch hours. Then after that, you monetize your channel and start making money. Like, just place ads on your videos and you are getting money as you are sleeping. Me, I call it how to make money online while you are sleeping. You're just sleeping and money is going into your account. Like, literally, money is going to your account. You're not even stressing yourself. You're not going out. Like, I earn as much as what a banker in Nigeria that goes out every day under the sun. I earn more than him. I earn more than a banker that goes out under the sun in Nigeria. Like, guys, I literally earn a lot of money from YouTube. So why don't you consider opening a YouTube channel? Because that is one of the easiest way to make money online. It's one of the easiest social media platforms to monetize, actually. So the second way on how I make money online is through affiliate links, affiliate programs. So you can sign up for affiliate program by sign up through their websites, and you can link it in the description. How does it work? So let me use Amazon for an example. So if I purchase a camera from Amazon, there's this link that I can actually sign up for. It's called affiliate link. If I sign up for an affiliate link, I can link it in my description for that camera that I just bought. And if anybody sees my video and is like, oh, I love your video, I would like to get your camera, please can you link it? So if the person clicks on that affiliate link in my description, it's going to take the person to the product, and when the person buys the product, I get a particular percentage. So yeah, that's how it works. I earn commission from someone using my affiliate link to purchase a product. So I don't know if you have seen my video on lavalier mic. I actually made a video on unboxing of lavalier mic and how it works, and I linked the Jumia products link in the description. Yeah, I added the product link in the description. So people have been buying the microphone using that link. Anytime people buy the microphone, I earn a particular percentage because they are using my affiliate link. So that is the second way on how I make money online. Why don't you start something like that? You can just get the product, or in some websites you don't actually need to even buy a product. You just sign up for the affiliate link, and you have a particular link that has your name, maybe happy code as your attached to the link. Yeah, once you share it to people and people buy the product, you earn a particular percentage. Yeah, that's how it works. So the third way on how I make money online is through selling things. When I say selling things, I mean digital things. I don't mean selling of clothes or shoes or bag, but you can also make money through that. So I don't know if you all know, but I am a graphic designer. I tutor people online on how to create graphic design works, and I also mentor people on how to start up a YouTube channel. So I call that my own way of selling things. I don't really have to like sell a physical product or go to the market and say, oh, buy my products, buy this stuff. So I just create an online course and people buy it. Yes. So during the lockdown last year, 2020, I made a lot of money from online training. I trained a lot of people. I trained over 20 people on how to create graphic design works. I just teach them animation, 3D animation, how to create a logo, how to create a flyer. That was basically what I did, and people paid me for that, and I earned a lot of money, guys. And apart from that, I also mentor people. People like pay me, and I teach them on how to create a YouTube channel. So if you're interested in my mentorship program, please reach out to me at happyxplus@gmail.com, or you send me a DM on Instagram at happyxplus. So the next way on how I make money online is through social media management. Yes, remote job. I call it my way of freelancing. So last year and include this no, end of last year and the beginning of this year, I did a social media management job. All I did was upload for a particular company on Instagram, add captions to their posts, take pictures. I don't really take pictures because I'm not always there physical. So they take pictures and they send the picture to me. All I do is to create a graphics work for their page, post it online, add a caption. And that is it. Basically, I post every day and they paid me. And they paid me a whole lot of money, guys. They paid me, let me just tell you guys the amount to bust your head. They paid me 50K every month just by doing that. Like, guys, you can earn money. There are a whole lot of ways to earn money. So how do you get your social media management job? You can create a page and you create a flyer with your face on it and you write, I can help you manage page. Build your page on Instagram, advertise to people, tell people about it, write proposals to companies that doesn't have a social media handle. Tell them that you can help them get more clients from social media like Instagram. You can help them get followers that can turn into potential clients, something like that. That is exactly what I did. I wrote a proposal to this company. I was like, oh, I can help you get more followers and get more clients. So guys, that's basically it. You can reach out to companies, write a proposal. When I mean write a proposal, I write about what you do. Try to impress them, talk more about what you do, and they will reach out to you if they find you interesting. So the other way on how I made money online, or how I make money online, is through Instagram, which I've talked about. You can create an Instagram page, build your page, become an influencer, and brands which reach out to you for you to like market their product or something. And yeah, you can also make money online using social media accounts. You can become a YouTuber. I've talked about that. That is making money online as a social media person. As a content creator, please, they call it content creator. So you can become a TikTok content creator tomorrow, and TikTok pays a lot of money, guys. So but you have to reach 10K followers, 10,000 followers. That's why I said YouTube is one of the easiest platform to monetize, because you just need 1,000 subscribers. The only guys, you create content on TikTok and TikTok pays. Another way of making money online is even through Snapchat, because Snapchat pays. I haven't experimented on it. Very soon I'm going to go into TikTok, because I love TikTok videos and I want to start creating content on TikTok. So once I monetize my TikTok account, I will talk more on that. So for now, I don't really know much about TikTok, but I know you can earn money from TikTok and Snapchat. A graphic designer, a web developer, or you have any digital skill and you're looking for ways to find clients and start earning money online, do you know that you can sign up for something called Fiverr and Upwork? You can easily sign up using the link in my description, and on the website you have an opportunity to sell yourself. You put out what you do with samples on projects that you have worked on before, and people will actually click on your profile to see what you do, and if they're interested in what you do, they will pay you to design something for them. I've seen a gig of people creating thumbnail on Fiverr and they are being paid $10 per design, and isn't that a lot of money, guys? I recently signed up for it, but once I earn from that platform, I'm going to make a video on how I earn my money. So for now, we are still experimenting on that. So that's literally how I make money online. And if you're a teenager and you're looking for ways to make money, not just a teenager, if you're someone out there, you don't know how to get started, you're just confused, you don't know what to do, or you're interested in my online course or mentorship, you have any program from any question for me, reach out to me at happyesplus@gmail.com, or send me a DM on Instagram at happyesplus. Yeah, that's basically all I have to say for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and comment down below. Yeah, let me know if you have any video suggestion for me, and I will gladly make a video on it. I am fully back on YouTube, so no more darling. We'll be releasing 2 videos in a week. Yeah, thank you so much for watching my video today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.